Again folks, I hope you are all well. It's another gorgeous day in camp. All the cars are out getting a suntan. I've just made a small purchase as well, which I shall show you in a minute. I know it's not the stag that's about to come out of this garage. Look at that. That looks very clean. I'm sure there's plenty of people on here who are interested in this kind of thing. I now own a Virago 750 that currently doesn't start, but I'm sure I'll be able to sort that. Gotta keep yourself busy, ain't you? Yeah, nothing. So, I have to do a little bit of work. So yeah, I think the carbs are just blocked. Might even just be a fuel tap issue. So that's a good sign, means we've got spark, means the bike works.
Nice.
Yeah. So it will literally just be a fueling issue then. So it's either a dodgy tank, I'll check that first, dodgy tap, or more likely there's just a load of crap fuel in the carbs. So I think I've figured out the problem already. I just pulled off the fuel line off the tank and it came out the tube like jelly. So I think if we whip the tank off, clear the lines, clear the bowl of the carbs, then it should be about there, I reckon. So what I'm doing first, pulling the fuel lines off. The right hand side was bone dry, which means there's probably a blockage in here somewhere. So that's not going to help things at all. Let's see if we get out coming through the carbs. That doesn't look particularly amazing. See if we actually get anything come out the balls. That's not good. Oh yeah, we've got fuel in there. So the left bowl has fuel. Don't think the right one does. Let's have a look. The right bowl is completely dry. So this pipe's blocked for a start. It's probably carb side then, not drawing it through, I imagine. Probably just pull the carbs off. There we go. That's the carb draining off there, look. So I think I found the issue. Pulled all the carbs apart, cleaned the jets, all of that. They weren't too bad really, to be fair. Could have been much worse. But then I realised that the tap wasn't working properly on the tank. And as you can see, I've just pulled it off. That's not rust, that is ganked up petrol. I've just cleaned out these galleries in here and yeah, it's a right mess. So I think block fuel tap is probably the issue. I kind of think the fuel in the tank's going to be nasty as well, so I might have to get rid of that. But I'll drain it out and have a look. Okay. I do miss working on bikes. I've said it a million times. That's the main thing that I miss about my van, is not being able to carry a bike, just because of weight. I've got the space, but that's why the idea of the new van is mainly so that I can put a bike on it. Yeah, this is proper ganked up. Look at that. God. Have to go give that a blast out with the airline, I think. Working pretty well, to be fair.
Alright.
That's about it. Oh, there's the shit come out of there.
No.
Oh god. Yeah, that's not good fuel. Oh, okay.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Oh, no one light a cigarette.
Chunks.
Okay. Yeah, that's... Don't want to be using that. Probably shouldn't be doing this right outside my van.
You me.
Well, if it accidentally sets on fire, that'll be a bad day. Oh god, that's all out the tank.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not going to be good, is it? If you can see that, that's why you don't use shit fuel. Go. Gonna put some nice fresh fuel in there. So I've connected the fuel lines up. So we should now be able to set the fuel tank to prime. Excuse the sound of the R8 in the background. Oh yes. Fuel on both sides. Sweet. So leave that priming for a sec. We'll stick it on reserve and then try and start it.
In a minute.
That's on reserve. So choke. Need the key.
Come here, you
It's
monster.
alive.
I didn't think it made take weeks to start.
Nah.
When we were testing it, didn't we?
That may help running.
Yeah.
May not even need choke now.
There she is, folks. So I'm going to take it for a little cruise around the field in a minute and just put it back together, and you can join me on the maiden voyage. Oh, the video is going to be late today, I'm afraid. I've not made it yet, and it's like 7:15, so been preoccupied with this. I've gone for my ski helmet because it's got an Osmo mount. Do it after. I've already been it, so. Oh, it's awesome! Not as nimble as the crosser. Oh, brakes are a bit shit. Huh?
Bed it back in.
Oh, she's a beauty! That's nerve-wracking. Yeah, a little bit. Great. How cool was that? A bit sketchy. A bit wobbly. CJ just took it out now. Yeah, it's a very slow lap of the field compared to the Husky, but it's a different kind of bike. Yeah.
That is sick. Hey, a fine purchase.